Hey guys, it's Jen Chapin, and I am here today to share a little update on my YouTube channel that I am super excited about. So if you don't know me, my name is Jen. My family calls me Jennifer, and my husband and I got married in 2006. So this year we will have been married 12 years, but we met in 2001, so we have been together a long time. In 2009, our daughter Kira was born. She is now 8 years old and she is in third grade. Here's a cute picture of her with our dog that's now passed away, Hunter. So she is our girl, and she is super smart, and she loves to draw. She's in swim, and she's also in dance. And then in 2012, our son Connor came along. He is now 5 years old and he is in pre-K this year. So those are our two kids. He completed our family. So here are some pictures of us as a family together, and then Kira and Connor right after he was born. So we lead a really busy life. My husband Adam is an engineer. I am a nurse, and we both work full time. And we have two little kids, and we are just trying to figure it all out as we go and live the best life that we can. There's Connor in his soccer uniform. He loves to play soccer and loves to swim as well, and he hopes to be on the swim team next year. As I said, I work as a nurse. This past year, I graduated with my master's in nursing, so I'm super proud of that. I work in quality improvement, so I have a regular office schedule. When I'm not working, I love to spend time with the kids, take them to the pool in the summer, and then we also have our dog. His name is Murphy. He is a yellow lab, and he's 2 years old this year. So there is our family. This past year, we also kind of took a leap and built a new home. So previously, we had lived in a home that was actually my husband's home that he grew up in as a child. And we decided that we wanted to kind of build a place of our own that we could get everything that we wanted. And so here are some photos of the construction, and then also some photos of the completed house. So our house was done in 2017. We moved in right after Thanksgiving in 2017. So we are still kind of getting everything figured out and making it a home, but we are loving it. And I love my kitchen. That is my favorite part. So if you've followed my YouTube channel for a while, you would know that I am a scrapbooker, and I have scrapbooked since high school. Look at this awesome photo. So I've been scrapbooking in kind of the professional arena or the industry since probably about 2008. I actually started scrapbooking again in 2006, right after I got married. So likely if you've been following me here, you have watched a lot of scrapbooking process videos. I've kind of taken a break from scrapbooking for the industry since we have moved this year, and I have loved that break, but I am ready to get back into it. So kind of the changes I wanted to announce are just that I'm going to continue to upload scrapbooking videos to my YouTube channel. I'm currently only designing for one team, but that I also have a lot of other interests in life. So I love to cook. If you know me or you're friends with me on Facebook or Instagram, you know that I'm always posting pictures of my food. I love meal planning. I love cooking for my family. I love having people over and cooking for them. And I love grocery shopping. So I thought that this year I would actually expand my YouTube repertoire to include cooking videos, grocery hauls, meal planning videos. And then one thing I also like to do is make school lunches for my kids. So you can see here some examples of what I've done over the past couple months. I just think it's so fun, and they love it as well. And then I also try to meal prep for my husband and I for our lunches. Since we both work outside the home the majority of the time, I love to prep those things as well so we can have some healthy meals at work. One thing I also like to do is cook dinner, so you will find some of those videos as well. Just an example here of a dinner I filmed. This was some like chicken sausage and tortellini with pesto, and I'd also roasted some broccoli and cauliflower in the oven. So I just wanted to pop on here and share this quick update. I'm still going to continue to upload some scrapbooking videos, but I'm going to, like I said, expand my YouTube repertoire. I'm going to include hauls and meal plans and cooking and things like that. So I hope you will stick around here on my channel. I would love to have you if you haven't already subscribed yet, and stay tuned in the next few weeks for some new uploads. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.